The idea, the notion of Restoration comedy in the vulgar sense, which was something I was sort of brought up on, was that it was all fans and periwigs and beauty spots and people saying la and stab me vitals all the time. And in a way, though all that may also be part of Restoration comedies, the economic motive sings out loud and clear. The plays are reactions, just as the Restoration itself was a reaction. And one of the ways in which, one of the things they reacted against, obviously, was, well, for a start, the fact that the theatres were closed. And almost all the Restoration comedies, in my opinion, derive an amazing energy from the sense of shackles being thrown off.